Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a long awaited collective haul. Now, a lot of these things I got a while ago. They've just been sat here. Some of them have been worn, some of them haven't been worn, but I thought I'll just go through and show you collectively the things that I've recently purchased. I will also do try-ons for you guys, which will be my first try-on haul. So if you do like this video, definitely thumbs up this video so I know to do more. Yes, so without further ado, if you want to see things that I have been purchasing lately, then definitely keep on watching. So one of the first things is this camo print trousers. I got this from H&M. I can't remember the price of it. I think it was $34.99 or something like that. I will link it down below, and I would also oh my god, I can't speak. I will also add the price on screen for things that I can't remember offhand. But these khaki trousers, these cargo trousers, I absolutely love them. Like, I want to get a plain black one, a plain white one, a plain khaki green, a navy blue, and a dark burgundy rich red. But I don't know where to get them from. They're not on MISSGUIDED. They're not on Pretty Little Thing or anything. I'm going to keep searching because I think this is so nice. And they cropped and rouged at the bottom. You can rock this with trainers, you can rock them with heels, you can rock them with boots. Like, I really do like these trousers, and I've worn them quite a few times already, and you will see me try on later on. The next thing I've got are these trousers from Pretty Little Thing, and it is the bottom for this shirt I'm wearing. I will wear them together and show you what they look like on, because I do wear this. I actually wore this on Christmas Day. This was my Christmas Day outfit, and yeah, I absolutely love this. I love it so much. You would think that it would look a lot together, like a really in your face, but it really isn't. It looks like a jumpsuit really when I wear it. You can wear them separately as well, of course. For reference, guys, I'm a size 10 for everything. So that's the trousers, and of course, this is the shirt that I'm wearing at the moment. I got this from a store in my local shopping mall, and I really like this top. It is a wrap top. It was $19.99 or $22.99 or something like that. If I can find something similar, I will link it down below, but this is like a random store. They don't have like loads of different outlets and things like that. So that's that. I loved this top, this black top, so much that I got it in the green. Is the price on here? No, the price isn't on here, but as you guys know, it's from Pretty Little Thing. I absolutely love this shirt. I did want to get the trousers again to match this, but it was sold out by the time I went back to get it. But I will link this down in the description box below for you. This will go really nice with just plain black jeans or plain black trousers. So another Pretty Little Thing number is this cord set. I can't again remember how much it was, but yeah, this is it. For some reason, I'm just realizing that the jacket is a UK size 14, but I ordered a size 10. But to be honest, I'm happy because it fits perfectly. I wore this for a dinner that I went to. It comes with trousers, very high-waisted trousers. It's hard to show, and the jacket is a really long duster coat. Another outfit or jumper that I got was this red jumper from ASOS. Is it ASOS? Yeah, I got it in a size 10. I really like this jumper because it's so bright. Like, honestly, you've probably seen it in a video also. It is so bright, and it is slightly cropped. Like, not cropped where you can see belly, but it's shaped in kind of like this on top of your jeans, so it makes it easy to tuck in. The only thing I don't like about it is that it frays. I don't know if you can see, but I mean, I can easily get scissors and just cut off all the fraying and stuff, but it is really nice. I like the bell sleeve sort of detailing, and yeah, it's a really nice comfortable knit, very warm as well. From Topshop, I got this. This was $22.99 or something like that, or $19.99. I will link it down below if I can. It's just a normal black v-neck top. I won't say it's a jumper, but it's got chiffon sleeves and it has a tie detail at the wrist. It is really long, it covers my bum, and it has a split at either side. I really like this top because it's quite sophisticated, looks really nice with some jeans, some boots. That top, you're good to go. Leather jacket, easy styling. And this bodysuit is just a plain white bodysuit from Missguided, just because I really wanted a nice white fitted top that is tucked into jeans but doesn't have all the frills and stuff. I want it to be really like a smooth silhouette. I would like to get this in black as well, and I really like this because it is a thong bodysuit, so it's good to wear with tight bottoms, so you don't get no panty liners and everything like that showing. Now these jumpers I got from Pretty Little Thing. This is my cream one. I got two. I really like this jumper because I have never worn this cream one, by the way. It is really, you can wear it off the shoulder. It's a cropped jumper as well, and it's really makes you look like you're putting effort into your outfit when you're really not. This is the beige one that I got, and I've worn this to death. Never worn the cream one yet, but I've worn this and I really like wearing this with high-waisted jeans. So yeah. Now this next knit is a jumper I got from And Other Stories. It's the first thing I've ever owned from And Other Stories, but I saw the Anna edit or something like that on YouTube talking about how thick and cozy this jumper is and how warm it is. I had to jump on it straight away because I was looking for a thick black jumper, and I happened to get this from And Other Stories, and I'm so happy I did. It was about £50, but guys, this is probably like my favorite jumper currently in my wardrobe. It's so thick, it's long enough so you can wear it on top of your jeans, but I like to tuck it in so it's a bit like that. I bought this in my actual size. I don't think Another jumper I've got is this plain white jumper from H&M. Guys, I bought this before the whole H&M controversy, yeah, but allow me. I really like this jumper. It's so cozy and soft. I like the fact that it appears to be oversized, but you can obviously tuck it in to your trousers as well. I like it because at the back it says "get off my back." I really liked that, so got this jumper too. Guys, if you want me to do a lookbook, definitely thumbs up this video and comment it down below, because I want to do things that you guys want to see. So definitely let me know, because of course if you want me to do a lookbook, then some of the new things that I get won't be in a haul, but it'll be more so demonstrated in a lookbook. This jumper I got is also from H&M before the controversy, and this is a plain khaki green jumper, but it says here "hi bye," and I really liked this jumper because at the back it's got this ribbon detailing, and I really like that. It was really different. It is slightly cropped as well, but I like to, you know, tuck my jumpers and everything in at the front, so that's loving that. Now I've bought this blazer. This is like my newest purchase. I got this was 64 pounds or something like that from Zara, on sale for £46. I took it to the counter to obviously purchase it, and it came up as £20, so I'm really pleased with this purchase. It is a double-breasted blazer. I've got this in the size medium, and I really like the houndstooth, not houndstooth, oh, what is this print called again? Oh jeez, I can't remember what the print is called. Once I remember, I'll put it on screen. But I really like this print. I've been looking for a blazer like this forever, and I just felt that a lot of them were just extremely expensive, and I wasn't willing to pay £80 and up for a blazer. I just wasn't going to do it. On to a few more basic stuff. I purchased new pairs of jeans from a new pair of jeans, let me get my English right, from Topshop, because I chucked away all my jeans except for my River Island mum jeans and my high-waisted Levi jeans. Everything else I chucked away because they were overly worn out and things like that. So I'm starting to build up my jean collection again, and I started with this Topshop jean. This is the Jamie jean, and I just got it in plain. There's no shedding and things on that like that. I just wanted to start with a good basic high-waisted skinny jean, and this is my Jamie jean. So for reference, I'm a waist 28 and length 36. So this is from the tall section. So for those that don't know, I am 5'9.5", so I'm pretty tall. And this fits all the way down to the bottom of my ankle, so I'm grateful for that. New jeans feels like amazing. I got this from ASOS from their basic section. So it is vest tops, but it is one, I'm sure you've seen it in one of my videos before because I've been wearing the black ones to death. It's like a square type here, I don't know what this bit is called, but a square chest, I would say. And I really like it because I think it's a lot more flattering than a round neck or a V-neck type of vest top. This is the black one. Black one looks like this, so it's just a basic vest top, but it's got thicker straps and it is square, and I really like that. Last but not least, for the basics, I got this t-shirt from ASOS as well, and I really like it. It's just a plain white t-shirt, but it says yes I am a feminist on it, and it's kind of like in like a fur detail. This is from Mango, but I purchased it on ASOS. I cannot for the life of me remember how much this was. I did get it in the size medium, and I like the sleeves as well. I have this dress from Pretty Little Thing. Is it Pretty Little Thing? Yeah, it is actually. It will be better to show you it on, but it is this black sparkly number, very short. I had planned to wear this on New Year's Eve, but I didn't end up going out except for going to church, and this is not church appropriate, but I'll show you that on because it looks better on. I also a while ago purchased this leather dress from Topshop. This cost me I think £36. It is like a wrap dress, and I absolutely love this. I wore this, I bought it, I don't know how long ago I got this, but it's the first time I wore it was on my husband's birthday. We went out for dinner, and this is just such a beautiful dress, and I'm so happy I got it. I was in and ahhing for quite a while whether it's worth me getting, and I'm happy I did because it's nice to just have a nice sleek black dress, your little LBD, but this is leather, so I'm really proud of that. Last but not least is this jumpsuit that I've purchased so long ago, but I have never worn, from MISSGUIDED. I got it in a size 10, but I got it from the tall section. And yes guys, I absolutely love this jumpsuit so much. It's more like a wedding type of attire, but I will try it on for you guys as well. So that's pretty much my haul, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like hauls and fashion things, definitely thumbs up this video. I do have a new segment on my channel coming up. I'm not going to tell you yet, but I do have a new segment, and definitely watch out for that. It is to do with fashion. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.